Triangle. Similar and congruent figures. Similar figures, congruent figures. Difference between similar figures and congruent figures. Similarity of triangles. Triangles. Hello student. This is a circle O. This is another circle of center X. Are these two circles similar and congruent? Similar figures. Two figures of same shape are called similar figures. As we know, these two circles have same shape. Therefore, these two circles are similar. But are they congruent? Congruent figures. Two figures of same shape and same size are called congruent figures. If we overlap parallelogram ABCD and parallelogram PQRS, they exactly overlap each other. Therefore, these two parallelograms are congruent. Now, if we drag these two similar circles, circle O and circle X, and overlap them, we find that one is smaller than other. Hence, we can say they are not congruent. From this shown, we can conclude that two similar figures need not to be always congruent. The figures like two equilateral triangles or two squares are similar figures, but similar figures need not be always congruent. But congruent figures are always similar. For example, quadrilateral EFGH and quadrilateral KLMN are congruent. These two congruent quadrilaterals are similar because both are of same shape. Thematically, we can state that two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if 1. Their corresponding angles are equal and 2. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. From these two figures, can we say that these two figures are similar? Yes, quadrilateral ABCD and quadrilateral PQRS are similar figures. If we set corresponding relation vertex to vertex as A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q, and C corresponds to R, and D corresponds to S, we get angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, angle D is equal to angle S, and ratio of side AB to side PQ equals to ratio of side BC to side QR, equals to ratio of side CD and side RS, equals to ratio of side DA to side SP. Similarity of triangles. Two triangles are similar if 1. Their corresponding angles are equal and 2. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in the same proportion. If corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then they are known as equiangular triangles. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Properties of triangles. What is the sum of the measures of angles of a triangle? 180 degrees. Yes, you are right. But can anybody prove it? Yes, you can prove it. I tore this triangular sheet and simply tore it off in 3 pieces. If I arrange these vertices of triangle together, then the complete angle becomes a straight angle, that is, angle of 180 degree. Very good, student. Sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is triangle PQR. Draw a line ST through P parallel to side QR. We get two similar alternate angles, angle SPQ and angle RQP. Now, line ST parallel to QR and PQ is its transversal. Again, we have two similar alternate angles, angle TPR and angle PRQ. Add respective sides of 1 and 2. We get angle SPQ plus angle TPR is equal to angle PQR plus angle PRQ. Add angle QPR to both sides. Now here, the angle SPQ and the sum of angles TPR and angle QPR are in linear pair. Hence, sum of these angles will be 180 degree. We get angle PQR plus angle PRQ plus angle QPR is equal to 180 degree. That is, the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Interior angle of a triangle. The angle forming a linear pair with the interior angle of a triangle is called an exterior angle. Now summary. Similar figures. Two figures of same shape are called similar figures. Congruent figures. Two figures of same shape and same size are called congruent figures. Two similar figures need not be always congruent. But two congruent figures are always similar. Two triangles are similar if 1. Their corresponding angles are equal and 2. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So that is all in this subtopic. We will learn criteria for similarity of triangles in our next topic. Till then, keep learning.